Print, email, Facebook, Twitter. More. Former NT teacher thought he was untouchable. Court hears a former primary school teacher accused of indecent dealings with his students thought he was untouchable and built trust with the children in order to violate it. The Darwin Supreme Court has heard. The 50-year-old, who cannot be named for legal reasons, gave evidence during his trial on Thursday and again denied all the allegations against him. He pleaded not guilty to 8 counts of indecent dealings with 4 of his students and 1 count of aggravated assault. During cross-examination late on Thursday, it was put to the man by the prosecution that his popularity made him think he was untouchable and invincible. Due to your popularity, you felt that you were able to do what you like with any female student. That is, deal with them indecently. Do you agree with that? Prosecutor John Ibbotson asked. No, of course not. The man replied. The Crown argued the man deliberately built relationships with challenging students. What I'd suggest is that you would get them to trust you, get them to be confident around you as their teacher, Mr. Ibbotson said. As most normal teachers would, the man interjected. And this would occur so that when you would deal indecently with them, it was as if it was perfectly normal. You agree with that? Mr. Ibbotson continued. No, of course not. The man replied. Mr. Ibbotson argued that the man had established trust with the girls, all then aged between 10 and 12 years old, only to violate it. Young impressionable girls who I suggest you built a trust in. And that trust you eventually betrayed, he said. No, I never betrayed any trust, the man said. Because of your overconfidence, I suggest you didn't count on the troublesome child, one of the alleged victims, complaining about you, did you? Didn't count on that, Mr. Ibbotson said. Because I'm an idiot. The man was also asked why he phoned one of the alleged victims instead of her mother, when he was concerned for the student's welfare in 2016. Then I would have to say to the mother, your daughter's messaging me, the man said. What's wrong with that? Mr. Ibbotson asked. She probably would have seen it as inappropriate, the man said. During his evidence in chief, the man was asked by his lawyer, Giles O'Brien Harcher, why he had not reported his concerns about the girl's mental and physical state to the police. Because I'm an idiot, he said. The trial continues today.